Hello, everybody. This is Rob Sketcherman from Hong Kong. We are live from Porto, Portugal, and we're just about to start the opening reception. Take a look around the room. There's a lot happening. Lots of people. Right in the back, you can see the sponsors, the stores. There's a lot of stuff to buy. There are tons of people here, hundreds and hundreds. We hear that there are like 800 participants at the symposium this year. And there might be like 200-300 people joining Sketchwalks unofficially. So it's going to be an amazing symposium. Stick around. We're going to have live streams every now and then. Watch and see what's happening. If you can't be here, if you can, please come down or book your ticket for the next symposium once it's out. I'm going to show you around the room now. Have a look and see what's happening. We've got a wonderful group singing for us. You can hear the music in the background. Check that out. And of course, take a look at all those sketches drawing what is happening. Look at that room. It's full. It's full. Everyone's waiting for the opening reception now. This is at the Alfândega Center in Porto, where they have exhibitions and all sorts of things happening. Hi, everybody. We're live on Facebook right now. Hello, I'm Rob. What's your name?
Hi, Kathleen.
Kathleen.
Yes.
Where are you?
I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada.
Calgary. How many symposiums have you been to?
This is my second symposium.
Second symposium.
Goes out.
Awesome. And what are you looking forward to the most?
Better watercolor painting. And drawing.
Thank you, Calgary.
You bet.
Have a good time. Have a good time. Okay, it looks like the music is over, and we're about to start anytime now. Let's check and see what's happening. Hey, Mike. All right. As we go around, we might as well just walk around the room a little bit and check things out. Oh, we've got some star. Hello, Veronica. Jenny Adams. Correct? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Case of mistaken identity, but say hello. We're live on Facebook right now. We're live. Do you want to say a little hello? Introduce yourself.
Hello. This is my first time in Porto and Skechers. Yeah, and I'm having a great time. So.
What do you?
Yeah.
Good for you. What made you decide to come?
Well, I just think urban sketching is really cool, and I, just wanted to kind of experience it firsthand. So.
That's amazing. And also, what are you most looking forward to?
Just getting out and drawing and, just kind of taking it all in. So.
Sounds amazing. Have a great time. And while we're at it, we'll also talk to Veronica Lawler, who has been teaching at symposiums for a long, long time. Please say hi.
Yeah. Hi, everybody on Facebook Live. How are you? Hi.
Any words of wisdom?
Any words of wisdom? I don't know. Draw, and draw some more. How's that?
That's as short and sweet as it gets. Thank you, Veronica. So you guys have a good time. Now we'll just take a little bit of a look around the room again and see some familiar faces. Hello, we're live on Facebook. Just wave. Just say hi to all the people around the world. I don't know how many people are tuning in, but say hi. Hello, hello, we got people from everywhere. And as we go around again, let's see, look, okay, this is Vincent. Vincent Despache is a great artist and sketcher. Hello, Vincent. We're live on Facebook right now, and I'm interviewing you. We're saying hi, we're showing people what it's like at the symposium. How many symposiums have you been to?
I've been to 4 symposiums.
Wow. And can you tell us which ones you enjoyed the most?
This one is not finished, but this one is really impressive. So many sketchers here.
Thank you, Vincent. But what are you most looking forward to at Porto?
I'm looking for meeting friends and making new friends and be inspired by the others. Yes, it's so great to see all the works. It's really fun.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Vincent. Look at what he's doing. This is what we do all the time. We draw, we sketch. Thank you, Vincent. Yeah, so as we go around the room, you can see that everyone is busy. We're all meeting up with old friends, making new ones. Wave. Wave. We're live on Facebook. Hello. Wow, what are you drawing? Oops. Okay. That sounds good. Okay. I'm Rob from Hong Kong. Where are you from?
From Barcelona.
From Barcelona.
Yes. Marina. Yes.
Marina from Barcelona. How many symposiums have you been to, please?
This is the first one. Really?
This is Marina's first symposium. Okay. What made you decide to come to Porto?
Because it's near to my home, so it's easier for me to come. And this year I have been drawing a lot, and I'm very excited to join this event.
Amazing. And what did you sign up for? Okay, Sketch Pass. All right. Did you do any research before coming to Porto?
About the city? A little. I had a book from the library and I read the most common things to do that tourists do when they come here.
So what are you looking forward to drawing in Porto? What are you looking forward to drawing in Porto?
Well, people and the principal buildings and all the things that inspire me in that moment.
Thank you, Marina. Thank you for talking to us. Have a good time. See you. Okay, things are happening. Things are happening. It looks like we're wrapping up soon. We're live on Facebook. Say hi. Say hi. We're live on Facebook. Please. Okay. We're wrapping up now with Amber, the president of Urban Sketches Hong Kong, is going to give the opening speech. So we're about to wrap it for now. I hope you enjoyed the look, and I hope we will see you at the symposium one day soon. Bye.